Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing great. So, today's topic is AI security, ethics, and CRM systems. We will be introducing a trustable AI. The idea is how you can make sure that the AI, artificial intelligence principles, or rules, or tools that you are incorporating into your CRM are stable, are secure, and are ethical to be used in the process. Well, uh, let's discuss about the table of content for this session. First of all, we will give you a quick introduction to ourselves, then the introduction to the topic and the role of AI in CRM. What is trustable AI? What are the key pillars of trustable AI? What are ethical considerations, security challenges and solutions? And then we will discuss about the benefits of trustable AI. Then we will discuss about the best practices for implementing trustable AI. Then we will have a bit of understanding on case studies and what is the future of AI in CRM. Along that, we will also discuss some myths that people or general public have in relations to artificial intelligence. So let's start about from our introduction. We are an ERP and CRM implementation experts with 8 years of experience. We specialize in Zoho, Salesforce, and NetSuite. We specialize in custom module development, third-party integrations, user trainings and support, functional requirements, end-to-end project management, marketing automation, AI systems, and third-party integrations. So when we talk about marketing systems, marketing automation, we do the Pardot, uh, uh, Laqua, and HubSpot cloud marketing, Salesforce cloud marketing. So these type of solutions. And then we talk about the the AI. We deal with the OpenAI, Claude, Agentforce, Zobot, that and build out extensions to existing CRM processes, CRM case management, support management, sales management, those type of things. So let's get straight to the topic now. As we know, customer relationship management is a vital thing for every business, and being in this era where AI is everywhere and AI is one of the hottest topic nowadays as well. But the question is how AI can really help in terms of your customer management system or customer relationship management system (CRM). Well, AI can analyze a process and enhance decision making, and which is one of the key factors in a CRM, because that's where you manage your sales process, you manage your customer support and stuff like that. So AI is the right fit for this job where the decision needs to be made or probability needs to be calculated. Okay. So the concept of trustable AI is that how trustable or how security AI is. Is it trustable enough that you can allow your customer to interact with it? Would it be giving the right information? Like, it's, you have to build a trustable AI. You have to give or feed the information to AI that is trustable, that is accurate, that is to the point, and that is something that your customers can get their answers from. So if we look at the use statistics, AI adoption in CRM is expected to grow by 30% annually. Reason being, more and more companies and organizations are understanding the back end of AI, and they are understanding the capabilities where it can help their team get answers quickly, go through the sales process quickly, get deals closed quickly, and get more things or contracts and lock in contracts signed or processed quickly. The role of AI in CRM. Well, the role of AI in CRM in content of the what is the context of it? Like, where AI can help. AI can help you in automations. AI can help you do personalizations. AI can help you do analytics in terms of data you have in your CRM system. So when we talk about automation, AI can basically enable tasks like lead scoring. If lead scoring is this, schedule this type of reach out. If the schedule, if the lead scoring is this, do that. Like those type of rules, regulations, if and else conditions, where AI would be able to judge like either this is the right fit or this is the right place or not. Then we have agent forces, like agent force, you mean to say chatbots that allow people or customers or internal teams to interact with each other and make decisions. Then we have personalizations. So AI can predict customer preferences or behaviors based on their interaction with your brand in the CRM system. And when we talk about analytics, AI identifies trends and provide actionable insights from vast customer data. So all the interactions or transactions you're having in your CRM system, AI would help you define that and get into one single shape. The what is trustable AI? Well, trustable AI is very, very important in terms of AI systems that operate transparently and ethically while safeguarding user data. The attributes of an AI, trustable AI is accuracy, explainability, fairness, and accountability. So when we talk about accuracy, accuracy comes with the how accurate your data is. Explainability means how explainable or how ability to, like how much decisive it is, how accurate it is in terms of that an AI can explain it. And fairness means that the non-discriminatory outcome across demographics. So the data you feed in to AI, because AI itself is just a system helping structure out a data. Okay, it at the trustable AI context is that you build an AI that doesn't go out of its way. It stays in the context of what you feed it, and it gives right information so your customers don't feel the brunt that they are dealing with an with a computer, not a human, and they are not getting the right information. Okay, then what are the key pillars of trustable AI? Security and ethics. Well, we all know security and ethics, like we know, but security, for example, is a must thing in any business system. So if the system is not secured, the data can be leaked, the data can be shared with others, the data can be breached. And that's the way, like, uh, the real world examples of data breaches are system CRM systems compromised by hackers, or CRM data being sold out to other vendors, okay, or your competitors. So that sort of thing. And then your data is not secured through authentication, so anyone can access it through your using your APIs and stuff. It's not secured. Haven't defined a rule around that. With that, you haven't given AI the data it's need to prioritize and stuff, and you have given everything to AI without even considering that. Like, let me give you an example. So you have an external AI that is interacting with your customers, and then you have internal processes. So the external data, you have to define that this is the limit of that data, and you have to put the security rules in the AI for AI to manage that data very efficiently and productively. Then talking about the ethics, so there is like ethical dilemma that the AI should answer in a proper way. It should interact with customers properly, because obviously when you are putting an agent in front of your customers, you need agent to be productive. You need agent to be decisive. You need agent to be in a shape that gives and make decisions accurately as a human would do. Okay, so you need ethics are very, very important, and ethics is very important in AI. And the way you define it, basically you define the rules and regulations that are that bound the AI to ethics, and put the human emphasis, human capability of understanding the situation and answering something that doesn't go out of the ethical ground of the business or ethical ground in general. Then, when we talk about the ethical consideration of CRM AI, we talk about data privacy, bias, and fairness and transparency. So we need data privacy. That's a must thing. We can't have like, there is no brainer on that. Like, data privacy is the key to a secure system, and AI being a tool, or being a concept that works on data. We need to make sure that AI using proper things and proper structure, and it's being feeded the right data, so it secures the data privacy. And using the right AI tools is very, very important in this case. Then we need to make sure that our AI is not discriminatory, because obviously it will become discriminatory based on the type of data we provide it. So we need to provide it very accurate and good data. Like, there are different types of data: structured, semi-structured, unstructured data. So that we will be discussing in our future sessions. But the way you feed data to your AI is very, very important, so that it doesn't goes into the discrimination. And there are structures and processes that you can pass your data through for putting out the keywords that can create a gender inequality, statements, or race or location inequality. Then we have transparency. We need the system to be transparent. We need the system or AI to be in a way that It's not sharing or trespassing any information that doesn't need to be shared or trespassed. And it's in a process that helps create a transparency overall in the process of AI. So we the idea of AI is to provide clear information to customers, use of explainable AI techniques to build trust. So there are different techniques and things that we need to build out to make sure that our AI agent or bot or chatbot is transparent and it's following the SOPs to get the answer to the customers. The security challenges and solutions. So what are the challenges and what are the solutions we have and in terms of AI incorporating into CRM systems? Well, weak points in CRM systems are like API vulnerability, as discussed earlier, risk from insider threats or poorly configured AI models, potential misuse of customer data by third party integrations. Well, now this is very important because you have machine learning models, okay, and then you have these agents that use that model to process the information, and then you have the front end, which is the chatbots, right? So you don't want, if you're using third party like chat gpt or OpenAI or cloudy, then the problem here is that you don't want them to like store your data. So and they are a well established system, so you can trust the structure, but you have to configure the structure in a way that they don't store any of your data, okay, and you have this third party integration easily done. Then when we talk about the solution of these problems, we talk about like regular updates and patches of CRM software, training employees in recognizing phishing and social engineering attacks, use of blockchain for data integrity in Zoho CRM and in CRM system. I just named it Zoho, but integrity in CRM systems. Okay, so when there are challenges, there are solutions. So every challenge that we discuss, there is a related solutions to it. Now, what are the benefits of trustable AI in CRM? The biggest benefits of trustable AI in CRM is build customer confidence, leading to stronger relationships, drive better ROI as a customer, feel more secure and engaged, increase sales due to AI personalization, compliance with regulations, reduce potential fines and reputation damage. Case examples: a retail CRM platform leveraging AI for loyalty programs with robust data protection. Well, the benefits of trustable AI in CRM is that you should have a process, an SOP in place, which will benefit in a way that your customer who are interacting with you would have more reliability on your chatbots or on your agents, which are AI based, by the way, and they will get more personalized answers. Let's say, let me give you an example. If when the AI recently came like newly in the market, most of the banks implemented AI, okay, and the problem like I personally felt was that whenever we call the banking service, they put us through an AI agent, which was not trained or which was not given the enough training to cater requests, but they just to get ahead of the market, they launched unfinished tool. So the problem is that I started losing trust because I was not able to talk to or resolve my issues. Instead, I was just getting repeatedly same answers, same questions, and irrespective of whatever I tell them, it was not picking up my information. So that means the AI model was not properly trained, it was not properly configured, and it let me lose my trust and go for a bank that is more robust in terms of implementing the technology and apps and stuff, and the support is really good. So this is very important. You should build a system that is trustable by uh, the users, and they are happy when interacting with it, because obviously the introduction of AI is to the introduction of AI of in the CRM is to make things easy, not make things difficult for your end customers, even for your internal teams. Okay, so best practices for implementing trustable AI. Well, there are some structures and rules that needs to be followed, but obviously, there are multiple small organizations that can't implement these rules. But from a high level, we let's discuss few of them. So we can adopt a framework like ISO 27001 for data security. We should regularly review and audit our system for biasness. And then we should set up cross-functional teams, IT, legal, and marketing to oversee AI projects, like what data is being shared. We should implement AI capabilities too, like LAM and SHAPE. Healthcare CRM ensuring HIPAA compliance with AI for potential interactions. So this is an example, like we know HIPAA that we can't share a customer profile or data, and the limitations or diseases they are in with public. So we have to be very, very compliant on that, and this is the strict compliance that we need to follow in the CRM. So we need to make sure that our AI knows that, and our AI has a limitation on HIPAA, so it doesn't do the sharing on information that is restricted. Okay, so these are some best practices, and most importantly, AI is like limited, not limited, but it's to every industry. Like the AI agent or bots are like customizable to every business that is out there, right? And being customized to every business out there as it is, it comes with a lot of work and responsibility in terms of how it's being done and how it's being shaped, right? Sorry. So let's talk about other case studies and examples. So first case studies of Salesforce. Salesforce introduced agent bot, like agent force, which is like a chat function, chat bot for businesses, both internal and external. The use case: AI driven customer insight while adhering to GDPR standards, and outcome enhanced rather than retention rates. So this is one case study that with agent force you can build out systems that can extract data from your email marketing system, and check how many of those email marketing systems are being adhering with the GDPR standards. And if they any of your emails or customers or your email marketing campaigns are not adhering, AI would automatically flag them for you. Okay, and obviously this is the initial stage of this, but in future AI would be able to introduce itself the GDPR standard compliant marketing campaigns, automatically launch them, process them, and get the results. But hope we will be faithful looking into that future, and we will be discussing more about the cognitive side of AI, like how AI learns, how AI process information, what are the what is the consciousness of AI in terms of understanding information, and what is the future of AI. Then the second case study is regarding Zoho CRM. So we have Zobot in Zoho CRM, we have Zia in Zoho CRM. Okay, so there are different AI models that predict that predict sales, right? So in Zoho CRM, the AI model, what it does is basically, if we activate it and we give it the right information, it can predict based on our general inquiry structure and inquiry customer, and the size of the company, and the previous interaction, and the source and stuff like that. It compiles up and give you a solution that this customer has more probability for conversion. Similarly goes for the outcome, is that it improves the sales for sales team performance, and without sacrificing the transparency. So everyone knows what they are doing, everyone knows what is happening, at the same time they are productive as well. Okay, what is the future of AI and CRM? Well, it's a $1 million question, by the way. The reason being, CRM is customer relationship management system, and customer relationship management means uh, that the system is storing customer data. And when we talk about data, that means that's where AI comes in. AI comes in to understand data and make decisions or make predictions and give you the best possibilities that are possible, right? So that's important. Now, what is the future of AI? I personally believe that AI would pretty much change the structure of CRM systems. People will be like, companies will be needing less people to manage their CRM. More of the work will be gone to AI for managing the sales pipeline and stuff. The personalization of sending out emails, conversations, generating or executing workflows based on certain parameters, AI would do that, and AI would be capable enough. And with that, the customer support roles will be taken over by AI to answer queries to end customers. Okay, the growing adoption of voice-enabled CRM interactions are high. So the AI would be able to make calls from the CRM, record them in the system, and get the query answered to the next vendor, like the customer, right? And then make the decisions or make tasks accordingly for a human to make a final decision. And predict how blockchain might enhance CRM data security, uh, like because right now blockchain is not being in the CRM for data security purposes. Like it's not very uh, uh, common in most of the CRMs, but let's say in future the blockchain technology would be used to enhance the security of CRM data. So whenever CRM data is being shared between systems, it doesn't have any of the issues of getting hacked or getting moved out, or storing at some external systems. Okay, so we can take care of that. The the emphasis in the future will be more on ethical side of the AI, because AI is in like a learning, always learning. Okay, so we need to make sure that AI, whatever we are feeding AI, it's ethical. AI knows its boundaries, otherwise it might start using a language that is not appropriate to speak to a customer. So it's very important that AI interacts with customers in a way that is reasonable, standard, and something that makes sense, right? So in future, I believe there will be much more stronger AI tools, much more stronger AI tools options available for CRM, specifically Zoho, Salesforce, HubSpot. Although all of these tools have already introduced some sort of AI, but like Salesforce have introduced Agent Force, Zoho has introduced Zobot, and uh, the Zia. Then we have the HubSpot. HubSpot has its own AI, yeah, that allows to train on knowledge base and stuff like that. And similarly goes for other tools as well. And all of these tools has a link to OpenAI APIs where you can train your own models. Similarly, you can do in Claudia as well. So this was it regarding AI. Let's recap a bit. We talked about trustable AI. We talked about the ethical side of the AI. We talked about the future of AI. We talked about the how AI process works in terms of CRM, and what are the security factors involved in on incorporating an AI. Okay, before we get into the answering customer questions or people who are attending this session, let's discuss a bit about what exactly is AI. AI itself is a tool that enhances the capabilities of a system to move forward and give more probable answers that can help businesses grow or make decisions. It doesn't take a decision until or unless we allow it to, and that is something people need to know. AI system is built at the moment, or they are being built in a way that they give you the best probable way. Let me give you an example of Google Maps. Okay, so the way it works is that the Google Maps basically goes from point A to point B, right? Well, there are two ways of doing it. One is that we go from point A to point B, irrespective of the best decision. But what AI does is it goes in every possible way and makes find out the best way for us, right? And you have seen that when you are middle of somewhere and suddenly the track changes, right? It shows you that there is a shortcut. Okay, that is because AI is working at the back end trying to find out the, but it gives you the option. It doesn't take a decision on your behalf. Okay, so you are the one who clicks, okay, I want to go this route. So that is where the AI comes in. AI will enhance your work and makes more workability in terms of things, but AI won't take over the jobs that are available in the market. So that was it, and now we will be open towards questions. And I think there is one of our colleague has placed a comment here: what is the best AI tool for CRM? So the answer is that the best AI tool for CRM is basically the capability, or let's say, if it depends on what CRM it is, right? It all depends on what CRM it is. So the best CRM, can you develop custom AI? Okay, what is the best AI tool for CRM? The best AI tool, okay, the best AI tool for CRM, it all depends on which CRM is it. Let's for now we say that it's Salesforce. So for Salesforce, it's Agent Force, obviously. For Zoho, it's Zobot, or you can build custom OpenAI. APIs. Through using those APIs, you can build custom solution as well. Okay, so it all depends on which tool it is. Now, can you build custom AI models? Yes, we can. And there are a lot of good LLMs that are trained in particular industries, particular niche. We can use those LLMs and build our own agents on top of them and train them with the data that we have. So there it could be legality, like lawyers can use an AI tool for their legal practice. Anything that involves data, lawyers, restaurants, retailers, shopkeepers, mall owners, okay, and pretty much every industry that has customer and a supplier and a business owner can use AI, because that's where the decision making comes in. Who is the most sustainable supplier? Who is the most sustainable customer? What are customer preferences? Okay, what category of customers I have? All this is possible through our AI, and yes, we can build custom AI solutions as well. Okay, so today this was it. This session ends here, and I hope you learned about how AI can help your business. If you have any further queries or questions, feel free to reach out. We will be more than happy to assist you.